internet's always right.
That's what I'm saying. Well, all these BMW guys who are like super perfectionists, like the real purist guys that would kill me if they saw this car.
Doesn't need to be mint. Did you hook up the gauges?
No. It doesn't need to be mint, but I can't drive it. You see how many wires are sitting under the pedals and shit? I gotta at least put that in. Yeah, and the dashboard is sitting where you put your feet, so.
Sounds like a good time.
I'm not gonna put it all away because I want to put the gauges in tomorrow or Thursday.
Today?
Oh, yeah, that sucks to take it off the jack stands. I didn't even look if I could like drill a hole. Oh, I'll look right now. I don't want to. I should do it now.
Today is the first test drive of the Supercharger kit. Conway's stoked.
Yeah, I'm stoked.
My man's been putting in hours.
I honestly don't know where I'm
Tons of hours. Everything's buttoned up. It's almost time. I don't think we're gonna rip it, but just a good little test drive. See how this thing goes.
Damn, it's half blocked.
Nah, literally. This is some pretty big moves.
Huge moves.
It's come a long way.
Dude, remember when I got this car and it was 100% stock?
And now it's 100% ruined.
By yours truly.
Nah, it's come a pretty long way. Needs some TLC on the body, but mechanics first, so screw it.
Mechanics, well that's why I haven't done not so much the mechanics thing, but like, yeah, I haven't done the paint. Like I wanted to do the paint this summer or a wrap or something, but I haven't done it because like I'm not done with the body. Like I don't know what bumper I want. I obviously have to figure out the fender thing.
Yeah, the body. Bumpers
I need to get a new, I don't know if I'm even gonna try and paint this. I might just get like a CSL cover, which leaves the opening for the air filter down there, which would be mint.
Many routes.
Yeah, so plus why ruin fresh paint at autocross and track days, you know?
Track days, never gonna happen.
Well, I was supposed to go till I bought this kit. I took off yesterday for it up at Lime Rock and I didn't go. Cause here's the car.
You
So
can just show up now.
I'll go to one before the year's over. I'm gonna go to one as long as everything checks out.
Let
me go get the computer. We'll do that last little reflash.
And then your dreams come true, bro. A boosted car.
Or they all blow up in my face.
Yeah, it's one or the other. 5 years in the making. Guys, James is actually a professional BMW tuner. He's a specialist in the area.
Oh yeah.
It's one of the hardest things to do, but
Big time specialist.
you figured it out.
Yeah, I'm pretty much a genius.
It's a BMW genius.
Destination talking.
Oh, it's lit!
Sounds mint.
Yo, you hyped or what? Hell yeah.
We'll put water in it.
Time for the first test drive.
Mess of a car.
I don't care, so she was under construction.
Yeah, big time. Hopefully it doesn't blow up. Knock on wood, Mom.
Knock on wood, Mom.
My brakes are not the concern. It's the rods through my pistons.
Dude, how does it feel? All this work?
We'll see how it feels when we rip it.
Yeah, how you feeling though? You nervous, ready, excited,
I'm
mixed?
excited, yeah, very excited.
Ooh,
Oh, I
pretty
didn't
hyped.
check the oil, and I dumped like a quart out.
You
I wonder
never
if it
did?
sounds. I wonder if it sounds so loud because there's just a humongous leak in one of the pipes.
I hope not, bro.
Yeah, I hope not too. That was louder than I anticipated for a research.
Dude, I'm telling you, this thing's gonna be loud as shit. Like,
it sounds like I know the exhaust
my
isn't
buddy
louder, but it sounds
Chris
louder.
Adams, bro, he told me his Z's pushing like 6 pounds of boost, I'm pretty sure. And his
he
thing is
says that.
insane.
I know,
You're gonna
but
be doing
everything
10.
I've read on the internet for this kit, they're like, you don't even know it's there until you get in it.
Yeah,
like,
bro,
literally, it's
'cause the
stock
internet's
below.
always right.
That's what I'm saying. Well, all these BMW guys who are like super perfectionists, like the real purist guys that would fucking kill me if they saw this car.
That's a BMW attitude, bro. BMW drivers are fucking assholes.
I know, but they're saying, they're like, you put it on and you don't even know it's there till like 4,000 RPM.
call them bullshit. Did I cut or no?
No, I got off it.
We're gonna get air real quick, take this for a few more runs, I guess, and see how it goes. Woo! She's breathing. She's alive.
She's alive, man. Not too excited yet.
Yeah, no, have to ease into this.
Yeah, we got.
It's like first time doing,
anything.
you know.
I just hate that it's dark. I can't tell if it's smoky or not.
It's facts.
I feel like it's been sitting for a while. It's probably burning shit off that's on it anyway. There it is. Woo! There's the boost.
There's the boost.
It makes it all the way to the top.
I told you, dude, yes. That is lit. There it is. It kicks in like a fucking freight train.
Dude, and they raised the red line to like 7,200 RPM.
It's lit.
Wow, it kicks hard up
It
top.
does kick. Dude, that's what I'm telling you. Kick it in at 2.5, like to the floor, matted.
Well,
That's how these things
yeah,
work.
until I just blew my engine up with a lean pull. What the fucking thing does? I don't want to like pull on it too hard without the wide band.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
no. Oh,
Road
no.
craters. They're redoing all the streets in this part of like Long
Turn
Island.
around.
That's it. 35's the sweet spot.
Dude, this thing rips.
Yeah,
This
rips.
thing's definitely a lot faster than it was before.
Hell yeah.
This thing is a lot faster than it was before.
It's freaking awesome.
And that blow off noise?
Sick.
Sick.
So sick.
Nah, that thing, dude, that thing pulled hard.
Yeah. She boogies. I wonder how it looks on video.
Probably slow.
This is a good, like, I would say it's a solid 350 wheel, honestly. Like,
That's
it's
what
supposed to be. Yeah, I think it's actually doing it.
It's supposed to make 405 crank, so around 350 wheel.
Yeah, the ass dyno. It's pretty good. Ooh, she's loud as way louder outside the car,
Is it?
dude. Yeah. BMW is boosted.
I appreciate it. Awesome. Thank you for the help.
I did a few things, but not too much.
Nah, dude. Wouldn't have gotten it done without you guys.
Some knowledge, some support.
Support. A lot of support.
Yeah. Well,
Claw.
yeah, the claws. The claws dead ass. Well, it's official. Boosted and it's lit. Now you deserve the sparkle seat. Yo, so James actually figured out like a day or two after this video that a vacuum line was disconnected. So this car was actually making like little to no boost. I think it was 2 to 3 pounds instead of 10. So the next video I'm gonna make with him, I guess, will be showing it fully working, like everything, all the gauges are hooked up so he could tell. And he says it rips, so we'll see. But thank you for watching, guys. Hit that subscribe button, please. It helps me out. Comment, do it all, send it, share it. I really do appreciate it. And peace out.